Oh, sie schon wieder. Ah, what a day, what a day, what a day. Dankeschön. Haben wir es, oder? Vollständig, vollständig, vollständig. Are you ready for this? Okay, ist das alles gut? Dann kommst du jetzt mal daher. Die rufen wir nebenbei noch auf. Leck mir am Arsch. Schau wieder, funktioniert eh. Oh, das. Ich glaube, der Sauhund ist da. Gut. Programmation, Selectation, Dingsbumsel da, einfach Text reinhauen, haben wir gleich. Uno, das ist mir halt, das ist so. Just my brain just so totally fucked filter today. It's actually in a compound over there and just kind of this third day actually trying to do something in here. Coming forward, seeing, you know, my effort. But that's all. People's just watching and just saying, hey, that looks good, and that's all, and it's just gone. Yeah, thank you very much for a lot of effort. They don't care. In the end, actually, the woodcut facility just was actually offline the whole day. Tried to start 2 times, and I thought actually that's a normal activation mode he's doing, but I was so loud actually the compound over some 4 regions or something that I didn't hear actually something coming up really hard to burn on that woodcut facility. So someone just run over there, actually my neighbor goes with it, actually with him over down the basement here. And I figured out something's wrong here. And now we figured out that actually the woodcut facility, after the call, actually the guys, they're just taking a bit hand over there, but somehow the application for the machinery didn't function able. It actually was today on the cell phone to let them know that actually something is wrong with that machinery. Man, my head hurts. I'm so dull today. What the fuck? City car? Car drift racing? Car highway race? That make it easy, right? Car drift legends auto rennen? The what? What is wrong with these? I get an order right now in a kind of a couple half hour. So we're just doing wisely actually a race, drifting off and looking around, and so until 20 o'clock, so it's 1 hour and 50 minutes actually. I'm done with this order. Tomorrow it's gonna be shit. 3 package of beer, 5 package of actually freezer, fridge, and normal actually you get away food for refilling until 1st April. I got actually a present from my barber girl there. She's a bit over 50 or something, you know. I just, there was some rabat that gives me over that, where I just normally buy me some freezer or fridge food every 2 or 3 weeks. And there was something else. No, that's it. Ah, yeah, spirit to use, but actually from the same company. I was saying let's refill that for the whole year, and so this shit. Boss not at home. The right hand of the boss is actually very busy. Yesterday 2 dentists, better say I was. Tomorrow I have to go. All the shitty times between actually 10 o'clock and 14 o'clock, you know, this is, you can't start in the morning something. You need to shower after all by the ash to sort. So this is actually the afternoon. You only have 3 hours before it's getting dark again and cold. It's all bullshit. Oh, that's the cell phone normally for music. I don't want to play right now. And the cell phone for Livestream. The last days I was very actually fucked up. I was. Watched actually some movies on my soon. Played Meteor Maker. Even I played Meteor Maker actually on the DevNation account as well. Already getting through actually a lot of trophies yesterday was getting done. Watching my health and all this stuff. This is so fucked up. What the fuck are you? One person for all this stuff. That makes me sick, chilled up.
Hello all.
I'm really fucking up, man. We have 3 days and I need to work some here, some there. Not working, calling someone. I'm stressed all the time with myself, pissed off. The ash, the woodcut facility ash. Cleaning actually the apartment here and there. Just doing work and normally I need to do actually in here, so this is so. I'm just a normal construction worker, what the fuck? Learned sometimes today, again. Learned in here as well. That's cool, right? I like it. My ribs are hurting. Back hurts. Damn, I'm sleepy or something. She's not campaign on Strawberry Seduce, so let's go across the edition spielen. After maybe actually the delivery guy wasn't here, I just went on actually the light for skeleton for the Gava Mac and Nitro the Bad. Cheers up. Oh, finally it's silent. And he has approved before we're just doing this one in here. The microphone is on or not. Yeah, the construction worker actually is jamming around with his illness. Better say with, what's that? Healthy illness then? Snotting and coughing and all this stuff. Fucked up since Saturday, I think he talked. Next Monday we have to do something, but you know, I have another colleague actually found. They're actually on the boss's house, and you know, so it's not okay. I mean, it's okay to actually have reserve or something, you know. Even doesn't matter if I just keep it away the bathroom tube or something, you know, just changing that with the other colleague is can rip it apart. But there's another company somehow coming, he was saying, right? That's confusing. Yeah, well. What was that? It's kind of, I'm telling the right boss, there's the right side of boss, right hand of the boss all the time. It's my thinking and my destruction in my brain here telling me his terms as well, sometimes here and there. And I normally I can keep it, but I'm so fucking business with my mind to actually sorting and inspecting and sorting and getting ash away and all these shit and coming home and be glad that my home is already cleaned up and all this stuff, you know. But you know, it has so many thinkings in here. Hier steht DPD-Paket ist Ihr DPD-Paket da. Was Deutsch auch gut. DPD, bald ist Ihr DPD. Was? Kill me! What is that kind of a... Guten Tag, Ihre Sendung kommt am nächsten Werktag. Bald ist Ihr DPD-Paket da. Also DPD... Oh my gosh. Can be simply actually to made off, right? Isn't it? Sure be. Ugh. Ist ja Englisch so eine Sprache, in der du kotzen könntest. Das ist Deutsch manchmal, was die Ausländer uns schreiben. Das wird dann bloß dich fragwürdig nachdenken, was kommt jetzt heute oder kommt's morgen? Is it coming today or is it coming tomorrow? That's not a message, I don't know what the hell's going on here. I wanna drift, please. Yes, I know. What is this? everything's good. Ci sapka pana strovi se lui solo col posto del DJ. For a minute. Oh, what's today? Tuesday? To do day? Yeah, I did well. I did well. Oh, still black comes out of the nose. Ash snot. Oh. My wonder is why I'm not getting nosebleed these days. Maybe the ash of the woodcut facility is actually calming your nose, or high bleeding actually, or high pulse actually go down. Ha ha ha. Fascinating. Normal people are doing that to 3 Persians actually in the compound, and now I'm doing it alone. Fighting through. That pisses me just off to have no company or something. I was working 6.5 hours, and then I was drinking my first beer, and it was already 15 o'clock 45. I watched all the times where 2 cans of beer bring with in the compound. There was no time. I was in 3 direction already. All the times there's a side in here to go and there and go. Watching over there. Is that sorted? Is this actually in here? Is it perfectly to set it up in here for actually the other construction workers? They may be coming in March. Ending up in November. What kind of a chaos day leave me then already in the November again? So it must be actually something like they're remembering new kind of style, and maybe they're remembering and be happy. But even the cars are not sorted. It just, you know, it just fucked up at least. Staying in a pound. When I should start with these work? Is it my job? I'm a normal actually construction worker. Not actually kind of a practicing guy that needs to learn something to find out what kind of a stuff that is in here and there. What is it? Ah, come on, he's still actually in so many far away. So it's so fucked up. If I'm doing this done, they're asking me all the days long then, where's this one, where I can find this one, blah 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 in here, blah. Well, it's far away. So the best is then actually give them out personally and learn them where that is. And it's every year the new system. Because the chaotical guys are just actually going to the compound with his work car, stepping into his normal car and driving home. The rest is kind of me or somebody else maybe. Piss so piss, And at the same time I'm working like them as well. They're driving home at 17 o'clock, I'm coming home at 19 o'clock. In the morning I have to explain how it's just actually for working for them. They don't care. That's why I get the same money as a normal 9-hour worker. Not like a 10 or 11-hour worker. That's so fucked up. Even writing this down, that's weird, right? It's kind of 5 days you're working on a Saturday inclusive. So kind of 40 hours and another 5-6 hours a Saturday as well. But the same kind of money, you get actually all the months. Weird. Yeah, whatever. 4 stops, far away. Careful loud. Already 10.5. What? Music in game, please, where it is. Yeah, the good thing is actually the car isn't annoying somehow. I like it. I know Japanese cars, right? That much annoying. Ding 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 ding. But this is movie. Ding 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 ding. I can't explain. This is beautiful. Exactly what I need actually after so much weirdo unsorted and my brain already chaotical still. He's not moving. Why you let me know he's in short there? Still actually so much far away. Where is that? Kind of 20 kilometers in front of me. Need to drink beer again. I have so many ash in my lungs and actually everywhere. This is fucked up. Hey Guyver Mag! What you doing tonight? I sorted already actually your triumphal golden hats from tequila. Found a lot of them actually, more than 10 now. How you feeling? Oh. Headshot. Oh gosh. Bavaria was just saying actually, Greik und Tim Häusl in der Arschen Scheiße da. Oh, okay, pie. Dang. Oh, what happened here? One sec. Now on your fingers, huh? Closer here. You want to closer have it there. What happened here? Are you cheating here with your sitting position or something? Dual boy? Sorry. But that's not okay, you know. I just want to see freely the 33. I say freely. Here we go. Arigato. Ugh. Now he's moving with his vehicle. Slow motion. Is that the vehicle then? Doesn't matter how action you're just doing the music. Loud, small loud, in slow-mo. Google finds out for your YouTube what kind of music that is and will crack your live stream. What's that fuck shit, man? This game is since 2017. Every year the terms are actually not these terms. I mean some kind of these prioritizing music or videos just get so hard fucked up on YouTube over Google Research Center, over actually Silicon Island makes fun over us to make more accounts get deleted away. I am not fine with this shit, y'all. Careful. Getting loud again. Yeah. The double of amount of points you needed. Need to settle something down in here. Why is my controller in one string? Reloaded it actually yesterday. I'm confused. Perfect, here we go. That's definitely a new record by 50/50. 15,500. 15,150. Wow, I'm impressed. As I was saying, 10.5 already. With that short track, 7K is already unreachable. But did a 15K double times plus extra of 150 or 1,150. That vehicle has much power release. Oh. Already was in here 5.6. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it was 5.6. Huh? 15 1 of 50. Okay, he don't like eyes as well. 43K. It beats the Russian 70K. So I see he's actually 10 kilometers far away from me and has already 4 stops still going on with it. That was one article he couldn't find, but it's okay. Always giving tips by €5, and I'm swearing this on. I will always doing that. Trying to get a toilet and peeing off. Thank you very much if somebody's watching here. Arigato. But first, a little drink. Here we go. A little nip. A little nip. Nope, I don't listen to music right now, actually on Spotify. He's coming closer. I still have actually 4 stops. Because I'm waiting this guy. Can't ring because the ring is actually defect since 2 months. Told my boss all the times he cares, but actually nothing's moving. So I have to care about it. As I just did actually with my Tooth Fairy kind of insurance. I just yesterday self-donate by in Germany you have normally a issue, how's it called? Krankenversicherung. You already have actually an issue term about your healthness stuff, healthcare, but there's actually an application for the healthcare for your dentist stuff. So I thought actually for 2 years I already just get this up, done actually. Didn't. Never sent it actually the mail away, or better say the letter. So found this year actually for a week I didn't do, and so after a week, after 2 calls and actually on email, I finally found actually someone. We was calling each other together yesterday as I was doing this again online done. And I couldn't in the end. I just say, oh my gosh, there need to be documentary and actually get called and wised in. And so, I called. And she was saying, I'm one of these 1% of 99%. They just care about actually these buttons before you press it online on these desktop mode. About to get advised and getting documentary about this one. Because you're running right now really on 100% whatever happens to your teeth, or more or less, or jaw or something. You're on 100%. You just need to pay actually a month, actually €23, and actually after 6 months, €40 a whole life. You covered for everything, seriously everything in your mouth. I'm impressed. Now, what's it called? Nicosia. These are included as well. If it really happens, pain on your jaw or something, and to send you to the dreamland at the same time and having bloody action, the chainsaw or something, you know, just popping this up, and not just kidding, but yeah. They say already that they're bleeding and bloody as shit if you have problems in your jaw and the brokens or something. This is some everything else to deal actually with your brain. They take you to Nicosia. What is that in English? I'm so sorry. They send you to the Neverland. Oh my god, my English today. Neverland Ranch. Range 11. Oh my god, come on. I think I got a little bit too sniffed in too much into the ashtrays today. The compound. Just kidding. Let's see what's going on here. He's actually in my town. It's getting dirty. Yeah, of course somebody's watching why my English getting better and worse and worse and more worse until that Genticle says hello. I'm not done with you. Okay, he's coming to me. Why he still have 4 stops dealing done? He's about 150 meters away from me. He still have 4 stops. Is he not right now coming to me and having 3 stops left then? What is wrong with these company of Amazon? I'm confused. Okay guys, I don't know what's going on in here. I'm just need a minute if this is going or not going. Let's actually sizing this one with F5. Yeah, he's actually in front of my door now. Yep. So guys, be right back. Thank you very much. Just give me 5 minutes maximum. Then we're making the light on. Actually, to my Guyver Mac. God damn it. Tadaimasu. Simply one tomato just was missing. But that's all. That's all. No, I just ordered actually one of these. I'm a fool. Okay. Okay. Oh, really? Ah. The beer sausage was missing. Ah, shoot. What happened to this? Ah, well, we don't need sausage. I'm a vegetable, vegetable I'm eating actually, you know, it's close to say I even actually eat pig or cow or something anymore. But even I get actually same on fat amount. It was not like actually I was eating a lot of actually food that contains meat, right? There's something else that makes me a little bit fatter as normal. Tadaimasu, by the way. Alright, we're done with this. Let's see. He was surprised who the hell I am. His name is Mohammed, but there's so Mohammed so much. Maybe that's why he didn't actually was going to the sausage. I don't care, man. Everything's good. Deliver early, as I say, 1915. Okay, it was 1910. Everything's fine as. Still, he has actually 3 blocks to go. I asked him, he was saying there's something wrong. You're the next one. Why you say he has to deliver 3 of them? How you know? Say actually, this weirdo on my Zoom tells me that. Everybody's gone. Nobody's watching, man. So thank you very much. So 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. That's the proof. 10 minutes. That was actually 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. I'm so sorry about this one, but we will come back definitely. Watchers. Hey, I'm eating very healthy right now, right? Since 2 years. Again, more fattier actually as normal over the more than 15 years. So is it because I'm just much away actually from the meat? I'm barely say chicken here, chicken there, but to get actually to kind of these pig and you know, to the cows, and this doesn't. It's just I'm so much away actually. Kind of was on normal 100%, and I'm actually by 15 to 20%, and I'm getting even fatter because I'm not eating them anymore or something, right? It must be the product actually from the beef, something. And even there, even actually the full corn, not kind the sie calling Weizenmehlprodukte. So, I don't know what it is. Huh, oh whatever. I'm dying anyway soon enough. Care. So, I'm done for today. What's my mind thinking again? Sober at 9 o'clock tomorrow, so we already have 14 hours left, right? To get the sober actually is 6 hours. That means I can still actually play 3 hours long in here to get sober. As I was saying, actually close to 24 o'clock. Hey, I'm good calculating. Actually, I was just saying that at midday. Because I say we need to start to drink right now, and I couldn't. I have already work to do and done. I'm so glad I'm living alone. Having nobody around of me. And not explaining that twice I'm already did with my mind. Oh, it makes me happy. It's working hard and earn hard, even it's own money and stuff, right? That's the biggest problem. Tschüss ab, Campaign ist Strawberry Service, und Gold Pause will ich spielen. Same time I'm not thirsty, but thirsty because the ash in my lung and my throat, and even the ash is coming out of my eyes. Even I was already in the shower and showered good. Fucking hell, that stuff. Can have actually a mask on or not, it doesn't matter. This is fine ash, not normal ash from the construction work. If you're making pictures, you came over like a child. Just doing the progress pictures, right? Then you let them know about these pictures, they don't care. Just shut the fuck up and don't just tell them I'm just doing the work. Nobody cares and nobody actually. I respect everyone is telling me actually his situation because I can understand them, but other persons actually don't know what the hell he's talking about. Better we just get another thematic or something went in. Destroying already a long-term block in his brain, you know. It's a terminal damage, definitely. Understand persons actually, and just get away actually the other children's actually that wants to be actually with you, or but they should talk about you about this one. That he's very busy right now with kind of an episode in his life he has to deal with. And then you're saying, alright, need to talk to somebody else or notify me that down actually in a letter, and I'll let you know later on then. But 99% of that earth just don't deal like this shit. I'm actually done for today. Oh, I can't believe that, you know. It's not this one, right? The apple is small, that's small, and here is small. Let me just count a few actually 10% on already. This one, and I get the sausage away. Okay, I know I get this money back over there on a soon, but that's weird. Did I really order only one package of tomatoes? I can't believe that. I was so stupid. If I say actually the listen to say 70 euros maximum. Normally it was like 40, 50, now it's 60, 70, because you right now see as a kind of, you order 40 euros in one or times, 2 times maybe in a month. It's right now actually 60 to 70 dollars already. So in Germany, since 2 years now, I started up this business with these guys. The $20 I pay for, I mean, I order all the times the same one, a little different here and maybe a rabatt in there or something, a minus percently in here and there. Never actually get expensiver. How cheaper I just get, how more expensive the food gets. And you get lesser as that was for 2 years ago. So kind of 40% you have to pay more for food like it was for 2 years ago. What the fuck? Shall we stop eating or what? Starting up by smoking, eating, what's next? Drinking, living, work more, get less, pay more for food, and fuck yourself up. Die, you know, early or something. Not be prepared for a kind of a premium COVID D virus or something. Because you have not the vitamins anymore in your body because it's so hardcore expensive that you don't can buy. Taking pills that actually have only chemicals getting you into the body to ruin your life, ruin your health, your algorithm and yourself, you know, some kind of that the COVID can easier place in your body system to get killed. That's all marketing, and the manager's just actually getting the money where the farmer get 1 cent per product and 99% actually goes to the management. Getting rich and having nothing because they have to buy the same shit as well. And what's they rich for? Being pedophile or something? Or what they doing, these managers? They are rich when they not can even buy any more cars actually with a burning engine. This should be stopped in Germany already. The other surrounding countries can do whatever they want. Then the Germans always fall because we have so much fucked up emission because around of us in Germany they're burning tires, driving the cheapest car, but with the diesel or oil or something, you know, they can do whatever they want, open up atom plants, what the Germans don't have anymore. They're starting up shit. They just want to see the German dead, that the Muslims come to Germany. Kind of this shit they want to have. Should they come over? Let's make one war lost, you know, World War III, and we get this over. Who wants gets Germany, or Europe better say. And we dead anyway then. Let's get the Muslims here, in Europe as well. They're already half in America. Where's the Christian anyway? So silence these pedophiles. The same Muslims are pedophile as well. They're starting up to marriage actually peoples together with 10 years old. Yeah, whatever. But you know, there's a religion to make the Catholics actually pedophile. The other part is the Muslims can do whatever they want actually without the religions. They actually married other persons with 10 years old already together. Or with actually a donkey or something with chickens or whatever they want. But Germany is of course the worst land on earth. Oh man, without Germany you're not surviving the next 50 years or the last actually for 100 years or 150 years now. No ideas, dual ass, and actually they're starting up to going actually to the space or just having ideas from not having the Germans actually the next 50 years maybe then. By fucking chemical ideas and destroying the whole world actually more and more. But the Germans, you know, driving the fine ass cars in China or Asian market, can't drive them in Europe anyway. Or Americans know actually, hey, there's something that heating me up in cold days and getting actually some ventilation system in my car actually over the heating days. Whatever. It's just really okay. You're the best outside of Germany. You're the best. No, I have to say that, seriously. How dual ass actually the outside with Germany, without Germany country, right? Sorry about actually the World War II and 1. I have to settle this down, but the 2 actually in Austria and the 1, well, that was a normal actually World War, but World War II was actually totally fucked up by Austria. Thank you very much for them assholes. And still the actually Nazism actually down there in Austria. Ganbarimasu! Why is there actually 1 bar on my controller? I reloaded it already. Let's do it again, meanwhile actually driving. Careful, loud. Maybe a light vehicle, much power, but actually consumable about actually the laws of drifting. I don't know, this car has a lot. It's just about these kind of kinky to say small tight tracks verse. That's actually a normal car, only feels lightweight actually, but that's all. Nothing special, but it is special somehow in details if you just drove that game a lot. Respect. Next vehicle. Yes, yes. And yeah, it reloads. It reloads my controller. I don't know what's going on with this. Weird. I need to go pee again. Why? That's the thing, you know. That's why I'm listening actually into Nori, Spotify. But I'm not ready actually to doing this. Just for fun. It's kind of sometimes the music in game is awesome. Heating my lips until tomorrow. Get ripped up again tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Kind of this feeling. 11, 12 o'clock. Heating it again over the weekend and get ready actually at the next Friday already. A term actually on this. A term? Term? Was I not calling this? Das heißt ein Termin auf Englisch, so kann ja hier ein Term heißt, das heißt a meeting. A meeting. A meeting is a term. Bullshit, man. Well, that dude actually nearby says that as a calling term, it's meeting. Meeting is term in some whatever you're just talking about English, German. Was tut das denn tun? Zweifel, wer schützt die EU, wer schützt Deutschland? Here we go. But you need to live forever. You need to go forever. Never stop. When the war is coming over Germany. For no reason, we're not ready even. Maybe in 2013. 30, sorry. Them I hope we cutting each other actually the throats through and trying to find something we can actually stick on and then pull over with that stone axe on the head. Why we should protect Germany? There's nothing to protect when we don't have something actually go forwardly to get, you know, deflect our protection. Already in Ukraine. Now we can start up to military actually to go a little bit updated. Wonderful. Sleeper Germany. Sleeping Germany. I see it so many times in my compounds. Compounds. I mean, and my you know, my friends in here, how sleepy they are. Because we already lost the war. Puh, for what fighting? They're already inside us. The infrastructure and all this stuff, you know. Thanks to the World War II, could do a lot. Nobody just helped us after all this shit. No one. Seriously, no one. Who builds up actually Germany again? No one. Just the Germans itself. Fuckers. going down, going up, going down. Let's see what's going on there. It's fun ass. So fucking fun ass. Oh gosh, the tequila I missed today. Onions. That's small bread, right? It should be small, yeah. So they forget actually the dinko bread is actually weighed a lot and be small. But I'm okay. I'm eating a much loved stuff. Get the map, man. Wrong button. Au. Muss man wegtun. Der lädt den, tut den abladen. Ladst du den, macht er den wieder auf Minus. Das heißt, wenn der voll ist, ist der wieder leer. Deswegen war der voll und der ist leer. Dann habe ich den umgeklemmt, hab da wieder gesehen, sage ja, der ist wieder leer, ist ich wieder umgeklemmt habe und so habe ich hin und her da. Das Dumme ist, wenn er 24 Volt braucht, dann kann das nicht 12 Volt sein, das ist 0. Der braucht, wenn dann nicht, wie gesagt, so 6 Volt hier, 6 Volt da. Dann darf er gerade noch starten. Dann lädt sich das vielleicht gleichmäßig gut auf. Dann sind wir ungefähr bei 10 Volt nach ungefähr 2 Arbeitsstunden. Also, das Gerät gehört austauscht. Und das ist Lichtstrom. Das ist auch vom Lichtstrom erwarten, ne? Na, so, der Power Charge, weißt du, was ein Teilgerät, das ist schon teilweise ein Batterieblock, wo du nie tust, wo du den dann nicht mitladst. Dass der in 2-3 Stunden fertig ist. Alle 2 bei 24 Volt. Deswegen, das sag ich jetzt nichts, aber wenn selber mein Chef dann sagt, das geht nicht mehr gescheit, dann kostet den für 24 Volt vergessen. Ja, so Sachen, ne. Schau da, na, da sind wir ein bisschen verschnien. Where's the music right now? God damn it. Normally I'm listening right now to Spotify music. I don't care about the music in the background, but I'm still listening then to that. But it's a weird feeling. Sitting actually in a shit house and actually trying to poop. And God, poop! Because I'm not already ready for that. It's just weird. So fucked up. It doesn't matter to do actually alcohol or something. You see so much. You want to handle it. Money's not counting for because you don't have, so you don't want to buy, you don't have future for you. The future is already blocked because the money and everything getting expensiver and expensiver. Can't even start a small project, you can't even start up. The boss have money and don't, you know, gives a fuck on. So what should I do on him? He don't cares about actually my talking service line here actually for the door and for open door. My neighbor up there has problems and I have problems. He don't care about that. Since 2 months he don't care. He knows, he called, blah blah blah. So I have to call the company actually, and then maybe they're coming tomorrow when I'm actually in a dentist or something watching this. And you know, at the same time maybe I have to pay it by myself as well. He knows how to deal that stuff, having his million. And I'm actually still under the bridge or something, already living. But I'm not watching myself so hard because I'm a single person. January already lost actually my bank. That means no money, no nothing. It's February. 4 times already dentist. Can watch for a place out under the, you know, bridge or something to live in there or under there. And he don't cares about the workers. He don't care about the company. He don't care about where he actually get the money from. Wow. He's a sleeper, man. But we workers have to be in here, and we have to be fast there, blah blah blah. After 8 months, you're telling this us. That's already too late, man. Where are you sleeping at? At Moon or something? I don't want to tell myself actually I'm very important here in the company, but without me after the 11 years now, this company already get closed. Maybe that for 4 years ago. There will no be actually someone there. I'm helping here wherever I can and just get the same money like the other persons. What is going on in here? Maybe I just give up this company here. It has no future. And I know that actually since 5 years or 6 years now. And the construction worker deals with everything on the construction work or side. What shall we learn? Every one of us actually already masters or something for this shit. And he don't cares. He don't send you to somewhere else. He's fearing about his diploma. 65 times. Was it that? 65 times, or did actually online race win? Or what? Since 4 days I'm actually in the game with the Dev Nation CV, with the it's so stupid. 3 times bronze in the whole life here since 4 days. 32 silver, 549 golds. That is something worth, right? Somebody's telling me he already got 100 golds and actually 10 silver and no bronze. If you're just doing that in the MBL or somewhere else, you have to say that is a professional, not an amateur anymore. He knows what he's dealing, right? We're already on level 21 here right now. On a side account of DjVolgin, because of fearing that DjVolgin will be cracked, hacked away, or Sony have to shut it down by whatever they want to see or saw, or I don't know. Sony, YouTube, Google. Now they have our informations and then they cut off actually our life on these pack ass servers that they have. That was actually for 12 years better, and now they're releasing us like Sony it just did. Having all informations and data together like a BUW something worth. Just have, you know, static, how it moves, how it survives, how intelligent. Now they have the data and just actually deleting all accounts on Google, your, I don't know, profile on your cards, your simply shit card you go to the dentist or to your insurance. They're just deleting it. You have nothing, but they have the data, and now we are aiming to the charts now. To get the money, pickpocketing out of this money back. Because they're childrens. To earning more money. Money, money, money. Can't have enough. The poor already poor, can't get poor, just only get dying by, you know. The normal workers on the construction side is the same. We're starting up the game under the bridge now in Germany. One can say actually, you know, feeling like I need to get a Bitcoin or something, actually worth paper or something to invest. If you're a construction worker, been one day actually on work, watching actually at 24 o'clock when you have to get a shit and forgot actually these stupid inline, online, offline shit, paper, expensive work stuff. And seeing actually you have a hide at 18 o'clock where you was coming home, and your cell phone needs to be nonsensely actually 24/7 in your face. Then even the application is not working because internet is a piece of shit. 5G over Huawei only, maybe in Europe. Because we're so slow in Europe. Because this financial money is just gone away for war or something, actually, like Hungary, or I don't know. Just threw it out of the window. It's just not more there, like in Germany. 65 milliards actually just gone, somewhere else. Will we just actually spend in? Somehow, somewhere. It must be the politics that spend us to this. It's so fucked up, I hate. These politici, what we have in Germany right now. Another episode. What is connect? You're loading here, controller. I'm reloading you. How many strings? 2. Okay, still working battery because you the controller. I threw 3 times yesterday into the wall. Okay, the stupid shit of making a medium maker or something crack. They should spend money actually for a gun or something for every person in the household to shoot each other, or just shoot yourself. It should give you as an option to live or not. And I promise you, if everybody in Germany has a gun and want to end his life, 35% already dead. And then see about your round who's going for the work, construction work. No one. Because they're gonna just shot himself. Because the silly management work or the paperwork or bureaucracy having more fun to make and getting 4 times more money as a normal construction worker on the fucking construction site. But they going with 70 into his renticle with a lot of money and getting a lot of money from the government, where the actually German construction worker has been a piece of shit with 45 to 50 years already and have to work to like the 67 years old. Thanks for the courage. Courage, I don't know. City motherfuckers. That's our politic. Thanks to the politic. Disturbing but crap. Brexit is just a small childhood. What it becomes about England. You can't, nothing to do actually here in Germany. It's like maybe setting everything on fire that they understand. But then I'm going to the neighbor lands, countries. Just having a fine ass with his billions actually in his pockets from Germany, picked up from the small workers. And gives a fuck. I don't know what I want to do actually with this vehicle. Send me somewhere else. I'm disappointed. I think I'm not the normal, ordinary actually. I'm not the guy only in Germany. We are 85 million right now. I think with the 85 million, there are 5 million coming from the outside of the last 3 years. 80 millions, and actually the rest of it are 35 millions actually from the foreigner side, So 45 millions actually original Germans. And yeah, 50 millions are Nazis, so 30 millions are normal. So already 10 millions are being old, so 20 millions are between actually an age of 16 to 13 years old. And they don't even want to vote anymore, this fucking politic. Unbelievable, right? Just to tell you that. They're making his rules by himself. Every day, whatever they want. The public says so. So sometimes I'm so happy to have satire. It's a kind of a parody or something. Papers work coming out sometimes. That makes us a bit happy. Seeing a piggy nose actually about his money counter Lindner or something. I don't know. You had to start in Germany to drink too, It's like Cuba, Cuba just so fucked up 40 years long. Not happy, or actually not happy, because they finally have something to see to build up or just renovate. They don't give a fuck. How can they be so happy? Drugs? Definitely. Should start in Germany, start to drink or shoot each other. Like the Americans are doing. But they have a lot of more land, man. They're fighting for something else, not for freedom or happiness. Just kidding. Cheers up. There must be some frost guy, Spain guy that don't understand English. I don't understand English as well. Gambarimasu. Jackass. Mr. Ventilation System, Kennedy, you're a little slow today. I got all the smoke in my nose back, actually out of my mouth twice. The ash for today was actually maximum. Sorry for that one, guys. I feel already, you know, somebody is at home having started coughing and can't breathe or something. I had the same problem, I'm still in work. Doing work nobody sees. Then I want to have a happy, nice evening, nighttime, going to sleep and going to the dentist next day. Some kind of shit, you know. You can't even make myself happy. Oh, dull boy, dull boy. Look. Well, God, that slow down does still. Is that the car or is that the car? Let's see. Oh, okay, that's the sound. There's the SFX. So that's the vehicle then. Okay. See what's going on in here. Careful, loud. I think it is. Let's see you again. Milky Ways. Yeah. Cigarette is just by 1 centimeter. That's why it's a pore in my nose and my throat. Gambarimasu. Somehow it was getting louder, right? What happened? Okay, let's do this on 0. Let's do this on 0. Let's see what's going on. Careful, loud, maybe. Oh, that looks... Oh my god. Okay, something about these wars. I think this one, right? So let's take this on 55. This on 40. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. So this is the car 60, and that is doing something. Let's do it on 100%. See what's going on. So it is actually the 100% then. Okay. These are the tires or something. I think I got it. That mix is awesome. Okay, gotcha. It's a nice environment right now. Only I need to slick the tires and the you know, the boost or something to be a bit louder. The drifting tires, better say. I mean, and that boost of the turbocharger and the. Now I'm totally rotten off in the game as well. Let's switch for the 6 in here. An extra vehicle. Let's test another one. Ooh, the cargo. When did you get deal done? Nothing. Already done with all. You get popped up anyway in here. Specific hill, huh? Did it done to 70k. Man, is that massive lot. My ears are ringing. What do you want to eat tonight? I don't know, man. Maybe some apple and that's it. Need to wait for tomorrow actually for the liquor, for the freezer stuff, for the cooling stuff. Then I'm pointed in actually until actually 1st April. Everything's fine as. Vegetables, some pizzas here. See some noodles in here. I'm actually done for actually the half April already done as well. For actually $300 I want to do again. In-game music is amazing loud, dude. Shrub. Excuse me. Need to get the dirt out somehow in my throat. Ugh. Grab it annoying in the tummy. I think we want to try this 2 times because I don't know how the cargo is reacting anymore on my drifting. Somehow my brain is already actually having a girl in the bedroom, just making smoothie with her, just cuddling and just leaving each other and watching a movie and getting the night. That's it, right? Already have 20 o'clock. Sorry, too many erotic calendars around me. Protects me to get gay, I think. Never will get. Yeah. I saw actually the movie on Amazon that was around Snoop Dogg. He did actually more than 12 years now. Kind of this football league he was around with the children, so kids better say, and with the adults and getting together. He's what was it? He's in the ending in the credits. You see he's together with a kind of a what's it called, football club there. Not kind of the Seattle's. What was his? The Eagles or something? But that was something else. Not the Panthers, you fool. So he was very actually into that stuff. So he presented his first time ever. Someone he owned a football club. He was bringing out a movie, right? The Underdogs or something. It was amazing to watch this. I had to say, I know Snoop Dogg a long time ago. It's kind of more than 24 years now. He already did his movie music done, and just do this one as it was for 18 years or something. I heard he wants to sometimes, some days, maybe overtaking a football club. He just did very well. He brings a lot of effort in this, and just kind of, and then I saw his movie last day. I was impressed. I was tearing, a lot of tearing actually, me, seeing such an idiot and still actually being a bony skeleton, teaching people how to do that and manage that and being a coach's on this crack, you know. Respect, I was tearing a lot. It was making me happy, you know. Just one person can actually do so many effort. Fantastic, nice. Even that just lost, you know, in the end of the youth football league or something. And so I was saying in the end, you know, saying even they win or losing this one, go fuck yourself with the other, you know, team. They tried a lot, came out from mud and come from nowhere and just being good. Even the sidekick actually on this headmaster of coach or son, head coach or son, they just bring it, you know. That was fantastic. That cheers me a lot. That seeing that, you know, kids doing stuff and talking already over dicks and tits. And in the beginning of the movie, there was like, if somebody's talking about you're an asshole, a fucker or something, I don't care about this one, and you just go, you screw yourself or something. He don't care. Be old enough when even actually he typed this one down. Can even children's actually watching porn with 5 years already. They already know how actually a middle finger's looking like and just work on it and stuff like this, you know. So it was fantastic. I loved this Underdog movie yesterday I just watched. Just, you know, this is kind of what a movie I just want to watch again, like today night. Before I go to sleep, watching that, actually some soda and just, you know, cheering my ass off from the ashy breaths I have already. Oh, hell. Yeah. Love it. And I'm a German Bavarian, man. How can it be actually racism or something? Fuck that crack. You have other things to do and dealing down, right? Cause atomic bombs in Asian. Tequila. Where's the worm? Yeah. Why the Germans always saying where's the worm? Had to do with actually with the gotcha. Because actually tequila is made up by a lot of fruits. And where's the worm? You know. Gotcha. Yeah, there's no swimming worm like actually they did in Thailand or some getting actually snakes into the bottles. Make it actually a little bit sharper on the poison, right? I never want to drink like these ones or these. Ugh. The taste must be ugly as crack. Is it herbal poison? You know, or you just taking actually animal poison in there? I think there's a taste of shit. I can't explain. Maybe never. I want to order like these bottles. $200 of one of these bottles. They're having a rattlesnake in there. Come on. And that's actually, you know, it's not even there's everything in there of the snake. The press let them, you know, growing up in this bottle with this alcohol. Whoa, I'm so sorry. This is not my type. It doesn't matter, I'm drinking it out of the glass where the snake is not in there or something, or maybe a towel, or it's just actually something on his a kind of flash something is coming out. But say I don't know what in English it calls, but you know, the hose of it, tail or something is coming into your glass. Just mix it. No, come on, preparation, all these stuff. I hate that too. It has nothing to do to poison or destillating or just I'm English, fermentating or something. That is so. Why did just did actually a rattlesnake in the flask? Something like that, you know? It makes no sense. There was a lot of pain to grow in there, and then you get the you know, no, it's totally wrong. The most people, I think, they empty a bottle of something already dead and can't actually tell us about this amusement to drink this one. To smell and drink the smell and the taste is ugly. I'm not sure, fermented earth or something, or whoa, sorry. Alright, gonna be loud by the music. Not sure what the cargo is doing, actually dealing up since a month. I'm here in an account. San Francisco is anything different and very special.
Cargo.
Yeah. So I'm losing. Hold on tight, it's gonna be bumping here. Right channel, side channel of DjVolgin and DevNation TV, pushing over the CarX D.R.O racing online. The Part³ on Part 273. Yeah, the music is astonishing. It feels like I don't get actually that drop music in here. Obviously fantastic music. Maybe they'll listen on me. Nope. These Russian guys actually didn't listen to me. Because I'm a stupid German. I'm going to the toilet, grab me some beer, being right back. Get me some, you know, toilet action by peeing. Now come on, what the hell I should say. Thank you very much for watching. Be right back, mata. Already tadaimasu. Yeah. Most I'm talking is actually to 99% of myself. Because nobody's watching anyway here, the live stream, better say. Glad to have someone in here. But just for some seconds. Finally get a little bit intoxicated. Oh, let's just... Here we go. So nice looking in here. So clean. So shiny everything. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Tadaimasu. Nice vehicle. After actually a month, I've played the cargo again. There's something to win in here anymore. You have to wait. Level 23, level 24, level 22. Level 27? They dumped everything in here, right? A 4, a 7 on ice, a 9, a 7. At this night, I just have to, you know, sometimes to kind of 85% listening to Spotify music in a CarX game, right? But today is like a day I don't want to listen to it. I just want to enjoy the in-game music, listen to my cargoes, my my vehicles, I always say. Next then, the RX-7 FC3S, I'm sorry. But I think I already got everything together. Can it be? Nope. Oh, goosebumps. After a long time we didn't drove, we should try to do this one. Daylight, nighttime, daylight, nighttime. Come on, daylight. I know it's nighttime, but shut up, man. See, I'm talking to myself again. Where's the worm actually in tequila? Can you tell me that, guy, Mac? Another year to start up the work. Before starting up a construction work a month long, you have to in a compound preparing alone. And then you actually have kind of 6 persons around of you and they, where is it again? I don't know where I can sort it in. Yeah, lay it down. 2 hours later after that work, 9 hours, I was setting 2 hours actually to sort that by myself in the compound, all these stuff, preparing for the next day. 11 hours a day, coming home, playing CarX and being happy. Why is my heart hurting again and having some stings? Ugh. Tequila, we come in. No, I think I formed the last time under the table 7 years ago. That was just because I just sucked in and just too much in my cigarette and just formed then. But now I'm so fat enough that I know actually I need to actually stop eating. Your fat is there. If you're eating, you blow like actually a bloated, you know, corpse in the water or something for 14 days later. You keep capturing it up. Oh, seriously, that smell is like ash. So sometimes I feel like that if you're just eating then as well. That's why I don't understand Snoop Dogg, right? All times he's smoking his stuff. Stash, something, better say. To not say the name.
WSG my nigga.
What's up, man? Huh? Wag, my nigga. What's that WSG? What's that meaning? D? World Sausage Generation? What is that WSG? You
WSG means was good.
With Fox Buddies? Or what was that?
Like what's up?
Okay, why is it saying you fuck with what? You fuck with Fox Buddies. Are you okay? Genki des? Like what's up? Yeah. What's up is what was G? What's the G, man? Ah, you're a teenage, right? Don't understand your language, mate. I'm just a silly German barbarian, man. I need a dehydrator or something actually to understand this language after actually having a shock from out of the battery.
How can we join my guy?
You can't join. I'm a single player right now. I just want to chill out. I have a single fucking construction work behind me. I'm dead inside. I have ash in my lung from actually the woodcut facility. I'm done even because dentist yesterday, dentist tomorrow. You know, sorry, mate. I'm not maybe later on in 2 hours. I'm maybe playing then online mode. Sorry, mate.
Emoji face with tears of joy. 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 Emoji face with tears of joy.
You know, if you're like in my age, been on construction work since more than 20 years, working actually since I am 6 years old, I'm working since they're in the farmerhood. I'm 36 years now. You need a dentist some days, you know. If you have no time age actually to go to the dentist because the work is more important, like this dentist stuff, you will tear yourself. But you have your family, you have your daughter, you have your everything, your uncles, I have no one, man. And that's more than like 25 years old. Think what you're telling me, man, before you starting up. But I can tell you only online mode, I'm doing D.R.O actually later on. But now I need to find back into the game. I was too much into the Meteor Maker, you know, this game on DjVolgin and the DevNation CB account here right now. Sorry for that one. Care a lot of games sometimes. I'm starting even a YouTube account in Europe because, you know, Yahoo just banned me off because I'm a foreigner for YouTube, for Yahoo actually on Japan. So that just flipped me over, and Google was saying no account is actually there anymore. So I lost actually 2,740 videos, 271 subscribers over 13 years. All this stuff, you know. So I'm starting this year actually, since the 18th January, I started up a new YouTube account. I'm so done, you know. I don't want to any more playing here anymore, drinking beer or talking actually or something. I'm dead, you know, inside. Why in Germany we can actually shoot ourselves? If this situation is there and you have no family and nothing in your back, nobody, something like that. Nobody helps you or something. So I'm always talking to myself to help actually myself already to myself by my talking to myself. You will understand if you're living under the bridge, coming back actually into your life. Never find your girlfriend in your life or something else to help you and just leave you again. You will talk to yourself some days. Promise you that. Sorry, mate. Cheers up, Kampagnenstrål, hvis jeg lytter til udskåret på sin Dijon X-Beam. The guy fun as fuck. Why isn't it showing up? Everything's good with this. Because it will say fuck the font?
This guy fun as fuck.
I mean, why has YouTube sent me this back and just saying this is okay? He's gone. Can't figure it out how it's just working. He's better. He have protection. I don't. All this stuff. He feels so good. He's personal done, you know. How can be a fucked up guy and just sending actually multimillionaire is actually a good message? Go fuck yourself and get your money a little bit away for actually some communities or compound. Actually, you're saying, childhoods, son is crack, they should live it better, not being alone. Look at me, I'm fucked up and burned up. I'm already financial because I care about this. Everybody, everything I care about. I'm sitting home here and chilling up in here, and you get like messages like actually they're multimillionaires and don't care and just talking shit to you, feeling like they, I don't know, sober is a normal institute for themselves. Whatever. Good night. Fuck this life. I'm so done, I can't do it anymore. No happiness.
No happiness left in me. There's your answer.
Especially because PlayStation Network is a piece of shit right now since after the PlayStation 3. No video conferences, no party chats. PlayStation 4 discovered actually shit. PlayStation 5 must be shitter to talk to persons. So I quit this crap. Makes no fun anymore. Just I'm sitting here and just enjoying myself and live stream that because maybe there's a spark that turns me into life again. But I only see people that just trying to make a, caution or something talk to me. Because they're living already in a bedroom and have no problems in the future maybe. They're already half in my life. And seeing there's so many problems you can't and couldn't solve. You're just sitting actually in your little boots, having dung in there to grow up. Before you're starting about economy, environment. Or maybe in your schoolwork. Playing the center Fortnite and thinking Fortnite isn't the real, right? For me, these actually 25 years olds are already children's. Children's ends up actually by 15 years old, but 25 years are just so much children's already all over the world. Because the father and mother just gave up already on these children's. The next generation is coming up by 13 years. The next generation, I'm already 55. They're already closer, getting by 45. They're already children's and still children's. And going until I'm dead, they already reached actually 20 years over me to be already a children with 65. A lot of persons, more than 20% all over the world. Because so important the cell phone it is. Can't trust someone, don't read messages, don't actually try making messages or listening to about somebody like me. Didn't have a normal ordinary questions, they already know I'm a construction worker. They don't care. I'm just a lousy Germany trying to translate in my brain at the same time when I'm speaking English, German, actually in my brain, translating this crack. Without someone. That was a guy actually called Einstein. He was talking to himself. And he was famous, getting famous. Thanks to nobody having actually some interest in me. No help, no nothing, just talking shit. I just wanna play Fortnite crack. Boring. Boring, boring. How the end is life been actually already. Still with 25, actually acting like a 70-year-old guy as I was. Childish. God thanks that I grew up with might and power. Somebody talking to me, standing in front of me, begging about to break his legs or bones. See, trying actually only to talk to me, then again, it's pain for them, like little children, babies, you just actually getting into the water the first time to clean his ass off. It's unbelievable. It can be whatever you want. Still you have childish guys around you. No. Sometimes I wish more than kind of these female actually on my side, just talking to me, having more fun. Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun. Growing up actually with a patchwork family of 3.5 years long. But obviously little children, they wanna, when you going to the, you know, well he's asking me about something like this. When you just wanna go actually some kind of these, you know, online mode. Can I join stuff? He don't even recognize I'm not actually into a fucking online mode. How retard is this one guy? The best, man, when somebody's asking, can I join? And he's seeing I'm just doing a single game here in that CarX D.R.O. How stupid they are, retarded, right? Till the gigant quadrant is should climb 45 in this crack. Send them to Sylvester the next time his son's brain actually to heaven. 45 crackers in his brain. That's the brain cell. This is your amount of the fucking IQ that he got. What kind of shit, man? Unload crack from a bullrose. Oh, buffalo, hot shit. Eaten up by the girl to reach actually out of his you, ready to having sex. Oh my god, how dumb this world is getting. No, I give a fuck. I'm listening to Spotify. I have 2 centimeters of my cigarette. I don't care on earth anymore. Repairing stuff, 10 years, children's around only. Dull as shit. Wow, how dull I should get with them. You're actually a family therapist already with 3 years old when the child is already is, because the family just want to have the child and being stupid and retarded, getting a child in the family conference already with these children. Fuckers. That's good, this shit. Open up. Have a full party, right? Not. Let's play on. Yeah, that's my life. Round up with dull boys. Even in the 90s I was intelligent like these people. They're already 20 years older now. Forgive me, God. Do you want to have Muslims in this country? They should do. I don't care about this anymore. Go forward. Have fun. Couldn't even start on the cell phone actually some Spotify link. Because they had to sign in and don't know the password of father or uncle or something. Up it up. Überspieler von CD oder sowas auf die Kassette, oder? Alter. Maximum quality, sir. Can you at the same time reload actually your control system? Thank you very much. Alter, ich habe nicht mal einen Schluck Bier getrunken, oder ist schon wieder ready. PlayStation 3 Pro.
Cause child's only. Everywhere in lost in life to understand.
Brauchst ne? Shante. Lights off, because nobody cares. Night time. Finally somebody should jam in. Maybe. Every might ship pop up, drifting is green. They don't care. That's weird. Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes of effort. What kind of an assholes they are. I don't know what's going on in here. Hört sich gut an. Bin immer gespannt, was mir die ganze Woche ausgleiten kostet. Glaube ich weniger. Du lässt mich mehr im Stich als das andere, aber das waren auch schon die schlechten Nachrichten. Ne? Jetzt kommen die guten Nachrichten für die Schleppen, Tragen. Ich bin dein Ansprechpartner nebenbei, gell? Dass das du weißt für unsere Firma. Wenn du jemand hast, sag's mir und dann sag ich deinem Bruder. Ich glaube, ich werde bald rausfinden, dass ich nicht der schlechteste Mann bin hier in der Firma. Wir zwei haben schon einen Umzug gemacht von Aufhausen unter Membach. Richtig. Was gut für die. Jetzt vielleicht weiter, bevor der Markus kommt. Ja, nur kurz ein bisschen jünger werden. Halt! Bier! Bier! Bist du komplett Abstinenz oder trinkst ab und zu eins? Feierabend? Nur Feierabend? Passt. Hast du eine Freundin? Hast du ein Leben? Hört sich gut an. Tja, nicht jeder hat Kinder. bin gar nichts fähig, Alter. Scheiß verdammten, weißt du, Kinder. Muschis, das sind nur Muschis, oder? Nur Muschis. Das wisst ihr auch von denen. Kleine Fotzen, oder? Scheiß Arbeit, Junge. Willst du nicht, ha? Loser. Ja, mach das mit mir. Will auch nicht. Was denn, Hurensohn? Was denn eine Muschi, Alter? Anfänger. Ach, hör mal auf, Alter. Ihr habt doch keine Ahnung. Nur Zeitverschwendung. Gut, passt schon. Das hat sich so gut. sehr fix. Ein lachhaften Autos, oder? Dankeschön.